Hey guys, welcome back to Drone Tutorial, and in today's video I have a very easy and fast tutorial for you on Windows 11. Now I'm going to show you how to hide your taskbar on Windows 11. So what you want to do, just simply right click on your taskbar here and you want to go to taskbar settings. Now once you're here, you want to go down to the bottom where you see it says taskbar behaviors. You want to click on that, and then you have a whole bunch of options here. All you have to do is just check this box here that says automatically hide the taskbar. So once you check this, you realize immediately that my taskbar is gone, right? So if I basically not clicking on the taskbar, you realize that it disappears and my screen look absolutely clean. And in order to get back the taskbar, all I have to do now is just move my mouse to the bottom of the screen and you realize that my taskbar is now appearing again. If I move it, it goes away. If I goes down, it comes back. Now in order to set this back to where it was so that my taskbar is showing constantly there, just right click, go back to taskbar settings, then go to taskbar behaviors, and we want to uncheck automatically hide taskbar. Right, make sure that it's not checked, and then we will have our taskbar showing there constantly without being hidden, right? So that's how you basically do it, guys. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drone Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.